Fans of Bob Iger or haters of Bob Chapek, today is your day. Bob Iger is returning to the Walt Disney Company as CEO, replacing Bob Chapek just months after he was given a 3-year extension. The Walt Disney Company stock price is at a nearly 10-year low. This surprise return, announced by Bob Iger himself to cast members, is certainly not something we expected to happen, especially this soon. Bob Chapek was promoted to CEO of the Walt Disney Company during a hectic time for all of the tourism industry amidst the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic. While he began on shaky ground, Iger was there to offer Chapek advice and a helping hand as he rose from head of Disney parks, experiences, and products to CEO of the world's biggest entertainment company. Chapek, while originally quite lucrative for stockholders, has generally been disliked by those amongst the Disney superfans online, but his personal talks to media left those closer to him assured of a long-standing plan. Many have been wondering about Disney's position going forward as Disney stock continued to fall while competitors Comcast and SeaWorld continued to climb. This certainly shows a strong shakeup within the Walt Disney Company just days after Chapek himself announced major plans for layoffs and hiring freezes. Now, we must wait for more info as the Walt Disney Company decides how to move forward with a battle-hardened CEO and a company that is facing backlash from the stock market, political figures, and its pass holders. For more information and the full letter from Bob Iger to cast members, head to attractionsmagazine.com.